Hello everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop in Crystal Lake, Illinois, bringing you a tire review. That tire review is on this Pirelli right here. This is the Pirelli Angel GT A-Spec tire on an LT. So it's going to be on a very heavy bike. This is properly weight rated in the front. This is a 58W tire. It is rated for this bike, and I decided to go with this and paired it up with the Shinko 777 HD long haul in the back. And I wanted to see how this tire was. Guys, I'm going to tell you, this tire, I don't like this tire. I don't like it. I wish that I did not have this tire on this bike. Not because it's necessarily dangerous or anything, but this is an extremely noisy tire. Right from brand new. Well, you don't expect that to ever have that as an issue with a brand new tire. Normally they are just as quiet as can be. They're predictable in the turns. They don't make any additional noise, you know, going around corners. This tire, right from the get-go, is noisy. And the noise is, I could only describe it as being like a hollow sound. Like there's a harmonic that's coming up underneath the fender here that makes this weird hollow noise that doesn't really change. It's not like a tread noise where the tread is getting louder, you know, as you go faster, or it's, you know, going around corners, it might, you know, hum more. No, this one, it's not doing that. It's this weird sort of hollow noise, and I don't know if it's just the way these treads are laid out and the way that the wind is coming up inside the fender, you know, maybe on the back side or something. I don't know, but it's very noisy. Another thing that I do not recommend this tire for, especially on this heavy bike. Now this tire might work really good on another motorcycle, but this is about the LT because that's what I have experience with. This tire is very unpredictable on tar snakes. You run across tar snakes on a hot day, man, you are all over the place, and it's all over the place in the front. That Shinko that's on the rear, that actually feels pretty well planted. It doesn't, you know, jerk out around you. It doesn't, you know, move around. This one, oh no, it's just very unpredictable. I am looking forward to getting this tire off of the bike when I wear it out a little more. I'm going to still ride this thing. It's not like I'm going to just throw it away. But it's, after 2,500 miles, which is about what I have on this tire, I can already feel the, you know, it's starting to scallop out a little bit. Now that's pretty much to be expected with the way I ride. I ride pretty aggressive, and I brake hard, and you know, I kind of tortured the tires. I would say that the wear on this tire is very predictable. It's not overly worn out or anything. It's not trashed yet, but boy, I'm just not happy. I'm definitely kind of getting a negative review on this one. I'm not pleased with this. I think that if I'm going to recommend tires to you guys, I'm probably going to recommend that 777 HD for the rear. And unfortunately, Shinko, if you're watching this video, please make a tire size for that tire. Make a 120/70/17. For gosh sakes, you don't have anything in that range that's worth a darn. And you know, you could have something really good. This tire, they don't make a Pirelli Angel GT tire rear that's a 160/70/17 with the 79V rating, and even if they did, I don't think I would try it anyway after experiencing all the road noise with this. I think that would, again, this tire probably would go very well on some other bike besides the LT. Comfort wise, it's as comfortable as you'd expect. Going in a straight line, once you get it up to speed, you kind of, you know, you don't hear that hollow noise so much. Guys, skip this one. Go with something else. Go with maybe the Avon or something, if you can still find the Avon ST Angel, or you go with the Dunlop, the Road Smart 4 front tire. That might be a really good pair up with that Shinko tire that's on the back, because that one's pretty sticky. That Road Smart 4 is a very sticky tire, and I have experience with that one, and that's a very good tire. So, guys, thanks so much for watching this one. Sorry it's a little bit negative review, but you know what? I'm just going to tell it like it is. Don't care for this one, and I'm looking forward to getting this tire off of my bike. If you want to help support the work that I do here, please just check the description down below. I've got an all-new Torque Spec poster out for the LT. It's an updated poster. I've also got, of course, my Amazon page, which you can find tires on, as well as there's also Patreon and other ways that you can help support the work that I do. I will see you on the next one.